quick little tip here, using some CA glue and baking soda to fill in the nut on my guitar here. For my bottom 3 strings, I just filled the first 2. I'm filling the last one here. I had it all taped off, and now I'm going to be filing and sanding away until I get a nice fit, and hopefully that'll help. As you can see, I'm getting some buzz wearing here on my frets because the strings are a little low, so I'm going to be adjusting that. I was getting some buzz on these first 3 frets here, so taking and putting some CA glue and some baking soda down into these first 3, and then I'll be filing that out. Thanks for watching. Another quick tip here on the Naked Turner. Okay, so now that I added the CA glue and baking soda here into my nut, right up there, now you can see I have some space here between my fret and my string. So hopefully that's going to work.